Now, the World Health Organization has rejected claims of China bias after US President Donald Trump cut its funding, saying that it backed Beijing's disinformation push and delayed to warn the rest of the world about the outbreak. WHO's chief Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus said that the organization regretted the funding cut. He said that the organization is working its international partners to fill any financial gaps.
The fact that I'm not declaring... When we're divided, the virus exploits the cracks between us. We're committed to serving the world's people and to accountability for the resources with which we're entrusted. In due course, WHO's performance in tackling this pandemic will be reviewed by WHO's member states and the independent bodies that are in place to ensure transparency and accountability, for that matter, involving all responders. This is part of the usual process put in place by our member states. No doubt, areas for improvement will be identified, and there will be lessons for all of us to learn. But for now, my focus, is on stopping this virus and saving lives.
The United States is the biggest overall donor to the Geneva-based organization. Last year, America's contribution of more than $400 million accounted for 15% of the WHO's budget. Trump says that the funding is suspended pending a review of the WHO's handling of the pandemic. Meanwhile, the American Medical Association has urged Donald Trump to reconsider the funding cut, saying that WHO plays a crucial role in adding health workers in poor nations.
Well, certainly from the AMA's perspective, we are looking at this from the perspective of public health and the science and the evidence. The World Health Organization has purchased and distributed masks, the N95 mask. They have purchased and distributed test kits for countries. And certainly they are engaged in vaccine trials that are taking place around the globe. And so, credible concerns absolutely can be raised. But right now, from the public health perspective, we believe that the president should reconsider his decision to halt funding for the World Health Organization.